They say some people can see beyond time itself. Among them, none is as mysterious as Baba Vanga, the blind Bulgarian prophetess who allegedly foresaw wars, tragedies, and even the distant future of humankind. Her story crosses generations, wrapped in faith, fear, and an unsettling kind of reverence. Many believe she spoke to something not of this world. Others say she simply saw what human eyes could never perceive. To some, a fraud. To others, a messenger. Yet the strangest part is that some of her predictions seem to be unfolding right now. Coincidence or fate? The world appears to move along a script she described decades ago. Time itself bends around her words, leaving one question. How could someone foresee what didn't even exist yet? It's as if her visions came from a place where the future had already happened. Baba Vanga once said that in 2025, humanity would make contact with something from the stars, an event that would forever change our history. Many dismissed this prophecy as an old legend until something appeared in the sky. Because this year, telescopes around the world detected an interstellar visitor, something so distant, so inexplicable, that no one knew how to define it. An object never seen before known as Three-Eye Atlas, a cosmic traveler, drifting through the void for billions of years, now heading directly toward us. The Atlas was not born here, and soon it will vanish again. But maybe it came for a reason. The question is, who or what sent it? And why now? Perhaps Baba Vanga's warning was never just a metaphor. On July 1st, 2025, astronomers around the world announced the discovery. A celestial body coming from beyond our solar system, moving at an impossible speed, 66 kilometers per second. The world's most powerful observatories tracked its path, and since then, humanity has been watching every shift in its motion. Some scientists even reported that its rotation defies the known laws of physics. But what truly caught attention was its appearance. In the captured images, Atlas did not behave like a normal comet. Its brightness fluctuated irregularly, and at times it seemed to emit pulses of light, almost like a coded signal. No one agrees on what it means. Some say it's a natural rotation anomaly. Others believe it's an attempt at communication. Scientists remain divided. Some insist it's just an ancient rock, older than the sun itself. Others whisper that it could be something constructed, a probe or even a vessel. Some even suggest that it's been observing Earth for ages, waiting for the right moment to reveal itself. Maybe Atlas isn't just an object. Maybe it's a visitor. And this is where Baba Vanga's prophecy returns, hauntingly relevant. Old records claim she said that a new light will appear in the sky, and with it humanity will see what it has long denied. It sounds poetic until it starts happening. Now, as this light approaches, the world feels the weight of being watched. Maybe this is the moment where myth and reality finally collide. But who was Baba Vanga really? Born in 1911 in Bulgaria as Vangelia Pandeva Dimitrova, she lost her sight at 12 after being caught in a violent storm. Witnesses say a strange wind lifted her into the air and threw her to the ground, filling her eyes with sand and dust. From that day on, she never saw the world the same way again. Something within her had awakened. Over time, stories spread. People said she could predict disasters, find missing persons, and hear voices no one else could. Her small home became a destination for those seeking answers. Strangely, many left claiming she had revealed secrets only they could know. Whatever happened inside those walls remains a mystery to this day. During World War II, her fame spread across Europe. Entire families traveled for days to ask if their loved ones would return from the battlefield. And according to many witnesses, her answers were almost always right. Some soldiers even changed missions after hearing her words. Even skeptics hesitated to doubt her directly. By the 1960s, her reputation had grown so immense that the Bulgarian government began regulating her sessions, documenting everything she said. These archives, many still sealed, are the only existing source of her prophecies. Rumors claim that some remain classified for containing dangerous predictions about the future. True or not, no one denies her influence. Among her most disturbing prophecies are those that seem to align with modern history: the 9/11 attacks, the pandemic, and the rise of unexpected world leaders. But one prediction stands above the rest: that in 2025, humanity would witness a signal from the cosmos, marking the dawn of a new era. For some it would mean enlightenment, for others the end. She never said whether the contact would be peaceful or catastrophic. Only that not everything that comes from the light brings salvation. Many thought she meant this spiritually, but as the atlas grows brighter in our skies, the phrase takes on another meaning. Maybe she knew exactly what was coming. Now 3i Atlas draws near, expected to become fully visible in late October. It's being watched by observatories worldwide. Strangely, its path passes through a region where sunlight reflects abnormally, making it appear to shine on its own. It's as if space itself wants to make sure we notice. Coincidence? Or the beginning of what Baba Vanga called the light that speaks? Science searches for answers, but mystery only deepens. The closer we look at Atlas, the more it seems to look back. There's something unsettling about realizing we might be the ones under observation. Some theorists claim that Atlas could be an ancient alien artifact, wandering for eons until finding us. Others think it was sent here intentionally, drawn to our signals, but no one truly knows. The only certainty is that it's coming, and nothing can stop it. Atlas doesn't behave like any known object. Data suggests it's not merely passing by. It's slowing down as it approaches the sun. That's impossible for a natural body, which has led to one terrifying question. What if it's maneuvering? If it is, then why? And who or what could be inside? That's the question the world is afraid to ask, because accepting that possibility would mean confronting the unknown itself. And maybe we aren't ready. Harvard's Professor Avi Loeb is one of the few scientists who publicly claims Atlas might be an artificial alien craft. He warns that ignoring this possibility is closing our eyes to cosmic reality. If he's right, this discovery will change everything: science, religion, politics, and our understanding of existence itself. Meanwhile, the world watches, ain't, and waits. Because if Baba Vanga was right, the first contact won't come from us, but from them. And when that light finally crosses our sky, humanity will learn that the universe was never silent, only waiting for us to listen. She once said, "When a new light appears in the sky, the world will see the beginning of the end." And now that light is coming. And what it brings, no one can predict. File 006 is now open, but maybe it never should have been.